Hello friends, this is Shuprio. Welcome to my channel SK Aquaspace. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how I am making a 1 feet by 1 feet by 1 feet fish tank. Making a fish tank is not at all difficult. A fish tank up to a length of 2.5 feet, you can follow this process. Any fish tank bigger than that will require bracing, but any fish tank till 2.5 feet, you can follow this process and you can make a fish tank at home easily. So I have placed all the glass panels on a paper. Do not place it directly on floor or any tabletop, otherwise there might be a problem of glass getting cracked. Then I am cleaning them thoroughly with a glass cleaner. And also I have arranged the glass panels in the position where it will be added. If we do not clean the glass panels properly, then the silicone gum will not stick properly. Another important thing is, when you purchase the glass panel from the glass store, make sure that they rub the glass edges properly. If the edges are not rubbed, then you will get a cut from the sharp edges. This is the gun I am going to use to apply silicone. This is the silicone gum I am going to use. This is actually aquarium safe silicone gum. This silicone gum and the gun, both of them you can get in any glass store from where you purchase the glass panels. Then I will cut open the silicone gum with a sharp knife like this. Also keep a 2-inch nail handy, because when you cut open the silicone gum, if you do not cover the lid with a nail, then actually the silicone will dry up and it will become useless. So as soon as I apply the silicone gum, I will put the 2-inch nail in the lid so that it doesn't dry up. Then I will place the silicone gum in the gun, and then it is ready to be used. I am going to apply the silicone gum in the bottom edges. You will require another helping hand to just give you a support for the glass. Otherwise, initially the silicone gum takes at least 10 minutes to actually dry up. So 10 minutes is a lot of time, so do not hurry up. Actually, be cool and just place the glass properly at the edges. Otherwise, if there is gap, then there will be problem. You do not hurry up, take your time. 10 minutes is enough time. You just place the glass properly. That is very important. See, this is one very important thing. I am rubbing my finger at the outer edge to ensure that the two glass are placed properly at the edges. So, if you rub the finger, you will have a feel. Yes, the glass is attached properly at the edges. So, you always rub your finger on the outer edge to ensure that the glass is placed at the proper corner. Another very important thing is the two side panel is little bit smaller than 1 feet. Mm, the two side panels are smaller by 10 mm. Actually, the thickness of the glass is 5 mm. So the two side panels will be pasted on the inner side of the aquarium. The thickness of the glass will depend upon the volume of the fish tank. In online, you will get several calculator where you will find what glass thickness you have to use for your fish tank. The glass will take at least 10 minutes to stick together, so at least do not remove the support before that 10 minutes. Again, I am rubbing my finger on the outer wall to ensure that the glass are placed properly at the edges. And also, if we rub the finger on the outer wall, then the silicone gum will also even out, and there will be less possibility of air gap. Always apply enough silicone gum, otherwise what will happen is there might be air gap left and there will be a leakage. So always ensure that the gum are placed properly along the edges. When the three edges are stuck together, I am using a black tape actually to give it a support. The black tape you will get in any electrical store. Now when the support in the three edges are added, now in the inner side I will apply silicone gum. And also one more thing is a special thanks to my wife while I am making the fish tank. She is actually doing the video for me. So thanks to her. Now I will rub my finger very gently, actually, where I have applied the gum in the inner corner. Actually, we have to run the finger very gently. If we actually press it hard, then the gum will get displaced and it won't be placed in the placed rightly, actually. And this is very important to rub the finger, because otherwise what will happen, some air bubbles will remain there and there might be a gap, and actually from there leakage will take place. Now I will add the last panel. My fish tank is done, but right now we can't pour water in it, because silicone will take at least 24 hours to cure. That means it will take at least 24 hours to completely dry up, and it will enhance the life of the fish tank. So friends, please subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you for watching.